your eyes said you want me to. Just a question of time. When you be together and that you be mine.
Hey guys, so here's the before and after picture, before and after my skincare routine. So let's just get right into the video.
How about a little music to count me money to?
So we're gonna start off by applying some water to your face. Then eventually you're gonna add the face mask. I will have my link to the face mask down below in the description box, but you can use any face mask. But the ingredients that are in my face mask are very helpful for skin like mine. I do have seborrheic dermatitis, which is kind of like eczema with a little bit of psoriasis. So yeah, so I'm just gonna apply a thin, even layer of the face mask and then let it dry.
Can't get enough, cause I'm the type of nigga that's gonna fill you up like a cup and make this love thing overflow. I won't stop until your body's telling me so. It feels like heaven, we're off in this room together. I can hear the music playing, then I hear your voice saying, ooh, daddy, now just get it to me.
Okay, after a few minutes and the face mask is dry, I'm going to then apply water again and kind of, like loosen it up. And here I'm showing you my scrub, which I also sell on my website. And I'm just going to take the scrub and kind of wash off the face mask with the scrub and exfoliate my skin, get rid of all that dead skin that you saw in the picture in the beginning. And then following that, I'm just going to rinse with warm water. Once I've rinsed my face, I'm just going to take a paper towel and pat dry. Not wipe, I'm going to pat dry to avoid irritating my skin all over again. And finally, I'm going to take my body butter, my face and body butter that's also on my website, and it has a lot of great skin-loving oils and ingredients to help moisturize the skin without overclogging the pores. So I'm just going to take a small amount and apply that to my skin. Now, I don't know if I know y'all see that glow. Just look at the glow. You can see the glow before I put on the body butter, but look at the glow afterwards, and you can see my skin is not as irritated anymore. All the dead skin is gone, and I just look moisturized and glowing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's completely for you and will help me out a lot. Bye, guys.